Oh, I've been trying to get the CG right on this helicopter for the last 3 hours. Believe it or not. Moving the speed controller around and changing the tail damn servo. And all, for the most part, it took so long because I didn't pull the motor pinion off the main gear. My recommendation to you guys is take the motor pinion off the main gear. Now let's see if we can get it straight now. I think that was just a little nose heavy. Tail heavy. A little tail heavy. Slide this battery down a skosh. And to me, I think this is the best way to get perfect center of gravity with your helicopter. You gotta use the canopy. So if you do it without the canopy, then you put the canopy on and your nose will be heavy again. So, oh boy. I'd did the old fashioned way, just grabbed it by the fly bar, but that don't seem to be to get you perfect, man. You know what I mean? And I've done the 450 already and got the CG near perfect on it. 600 ain't bad. Although I may pull the main gear back on it and perfect it like this too. Damn it. It's been so irritating, man, with my CG being off. When I do a pyro spin and that nose drops down, oh boy. You know, when it nose heavy and it pyro spins, it's like, it does this and it starts getting wacky because it's not flat. Flat. Look at that. Blow it over there. Still a little tail heavy, right? Flip it on this side here. Check it over there. Just a little bit. I could almost leave it like that. I'm sure I'd get away with it. But I'm going to see if I can get another little bit. They make it perfect. Okay, Mr. Perfection. Battery there, right there. How you doing? Okay. All right. Oh, a little bit more, huh, guys? That ought to be it right there. Yeah, I moved the speed controller, man. I moved the servo, changed the tail servo. Oh boy. There we go. That's it. That's the money shot. Then I'll give a wiggle on the blades like that to see which way she'll tip as well. Right away it's going nose. Oh boy. Weird stuff, man. And then when you're scooting the battery back, it don't take much. I mean, I could go just a hair like that. If I go more than that, I'll be bouncing back and forth with this all morning, all evening, all morning, and evening, and morning, and evening. My apologies. I think I'm getting delusional here. Okay. Yeah. I think that's it. It should be able to fall nose or tail, right? But yep, it should be able to bounce the nose or the tail just like that. Yeah, I think that's it. So you guys see how difficult that was. Still is, look at that. Damn it. Oh boy. I know it's not much, so I'm not gonna push too hard. This better be it. Now I had enough. Just trying to do a short video. Okay. Okay. I think that's it right there. Yeah, if I could hold it like that, let her do her thing. Now I'm looking tail heavy again. So you see how complicated this can be, man. It's not an easy task. Try that. That better be it, doggone it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Hold it first. I think that's good enough there. I'm gonna go with that, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh boy.